Guys, what's up? How's everybody doing? Hope you like the intro of the video. Try to do some halfway decent stuff to let you hear the truck, see it roll, and perform, if you will. Tell you one thing, it's got one hell of a leveling kit on it. This truck is not lifted, believe it or not. This is a 2015 Dodge Ram 2500 SLT Cummins. Check this out. Anybody got a tape measure? It's probably, what do you say that is, Noah? 1, 2, probably 2, 3 inch, probably 2.5 inch, 3 inch. About a 3-inch spacer kit. And we are running a set of 35 1250 20-inch brand new Radar Renegade MT tires, mounted on a FUEL polished aluminum D. What was that number again? 562 or something. I forget. I got so much going on. I'm hungry. It's a. Let me look on the back of the wheel. Ouch! Stick my head under here for you guys. Oh my god! I'm setting the key alarm off with the wheels. Whatever. D562 or 5 something. Somebody leave in the comments what kind of wheel it is. It's on the listing of the ad, anyways. I put it in there. The truck is super duper nice. It's got a few scratches here and there. A little scratch right there and a dent right here. You kind of see it. Interior is remotely clean. We had the, we'll go on the other side, I'll show you. We had the, we had a little episode of the angry redneck syndrome right here. So it's when they punch the dash and they try to super glue it with liquid nails or something like that. And didn't do a good job. But anyways, the truck has 146,574 miles on it. Runs and drives good. Electric rear window. Full exhaust, full 4-inch exhaust system. Tuner, monitor. We'll show you guys under the hood. Check it out. Full bench seat too. Check this out. Full bench seat up top. The cloth's in pretty decent shape. It's not really in the brand new phase, but it's decent. Nice Dodge floor mats. I'd probably like to redeem myself and do a better video down the road of this truck. We got some wannabe Sinister diesel modifications here. So other than that, that's pretty much about it. The truck runs and drives good. We did the maintenance on it. We did new oil change, fuel filters, oil filter, new tires. I think I might have needed a ball joint or two here or there. And after that, she's running and driving good. It's got a nasty exhaust brake on it. So when you accelerate over 30, 40, 50 or what have you, let go of the brake or let go of the gas, hit the brake, and she purrs quite nice. So if you're towing something, that's an awesome accessory to have. I know a lot of the new trucks are coming out with them, like the Dodges, the Chevrolet, and the Fords, and the Rams. But this is a nice truck and nice bed liner. Nothing too spectacular about it, but the biggest question everybody's saying, does it rub with 35s on it? Because there was 33s on it. Have you seen the previous videos? Yes, it does rub. Very little bit, not too much, but you can see where we trimmed out a tiny spot right there, and it's not too hateful. But like I said, once again, guys, going back to the whole basics of this, I bought the truck like this besides the tires. I put the tires on it. There were 33s on it, and they fit fine, but it just didn't look good. The truck didn't have enough girth to it. So Dodges with a nice meaty 35 on it, and the proper lift kit or leveling kit, depending on what size tire you're running, can make all the difference. And with that said, this one is borderline rubbing. It's about a 90, what do you say, Noah, like 95%, 98%?
95.
95% crank right and left. It doesn't even rub if you turn full left. It's only backing up on like a hill or something like that when all the weight's on the front and stuff. It's very minuscule, very, very minimal. Factory step rails. This is one of the base model Cummins, so it's not, you don't have the nice tow mirrors with it. It's got the little grocery getter mirrors, I guess you would call them. I don't know. The bumpers, you can always differentiate a Dodge, whether it's the Laramie or the Longhorn or what have you, or a higher model, because this one is the one without the fog lights. Without the fog lights right here. I'm not saying it's a bad truck. You still get all the perks of a Cummins, except for the bells and whistles. But who really needs that if it, you don't use them to the fullest advantage? How many of you realize when you get in your truck that you actually use the fog lights? I guarantee you, if you answer me honestly, probably less than 30% of you guys. When you turn a truck on factory, you probably don't have the fog lights on. So it's a nice truck, you know. It's got the vent louvers on them, or the rain guards right here. The back seat, we'll jump in the back seat right here. No, I think you always want to butt rape me, because you're always behind when I'm trying to point it.
Oh.
Hey guys, what's going on? So I was trying to see, it's like we're trying to be two people in the same spot looking at something. I'd have a better glimpse of when I'm describing something. I can be across from you, just like when we're sitting at dinner table. I don't eat off a nose plate sitting on his lap.
Sometimes,
but it's got the nice heavy duty floor mats in it, guys. These are the nice Dodge floor mats. And Noah, if you lift up this mat, I'm going to show you guys a sneak preview of what is the coolest part of any Ram that they came out with. The storage boxes. These are absolutely one of the best features, I think, of these trucks. You can fit a 6-pack in there. You can fit your small children in there.
I thought you were about to say small Trojan.
You can fit small Trojans in there too, if you want to. But usually guys with a big lifted truck have small Trojans anyway, so.
You gotta make up for something.
You gotta make up for something.
That's why I drive stock.
Yeah, stock cock. But it's a cool feature. And the best part about these seats right here is the whole dang thing folds up. It's not like the Fords and the Chevys where it just folds half. Not saying I don't like that, but you got huge, massive, gaping holes, just like Noah's butthole in the back here. And the whole seats fold up, which is a cool spot. And you got plenty of room back here too, guys. The room that you have is absolutely, I'm 6 foot tall, and this is a pretty substantial amount of room. And the driver's seat is for Noah drive. Noah's 6'2" or something, or 6'9".
6'4".
6'4", sorry, 7'5". Goliath over there, freaking giraffe sitting in the front seat. So I'm 6 foot tall and I have plenty of room. I could probably lay down. So you guys got to think, the magnitude of the mega cabs, you put the seat back, you're lounging in the back seat with a twin size bed pretty much. Yeah, that's it. So, no backup camera, and that's it. That's all I have to say about this. You're right at the sun.
No, I'm talking.
Like
you
shit.
Walked into.
Why don't you come right here? There we go. Here, take the camera from there.
Oh, you want me to walk?
There's no.
Well, are we selling you with a truck right now?
Well, let's get in front of the truck.
Exactly.
You're the cameraman. I'm just walking around. You need to always go off the side of the focus. And that's all I have to say about the war in Vietnam. I think I say that in every video.
I can't run,
Get me running real quick. Not like past you, past you.
Oh.
Jenny! Watched that movie too damn much. We didn't trim the front bumper. And that's it. You guys are probably bored right now. This is Mark signing out with the 2015 Dodge Ram 2500 SLT. See you later. Bye. So, Noah, we just ended the video. Noah just told me he had to go piss. Let's go see. We're gonna bomb.
Why are you laughing?
You're on live camera peeing, boy. I don't want to see a small little worm anyways. Noah's peeing on live camera. That's a beautiful picture of that truck, isn't it, guys? Gosh, she is pretty. You know, actually peeing on trees is good for the trees. I researched that. I swear to God, it's got all nutrients in it and nitrogen and all sorts of stuff that are good for the tree. So I water my trees every night. But hope you guys do enjoy the video. This is Mark signing out. Don't forget, pee on your trees. It's good for the environment. See ya. Bye.